welcome once again to your favorite call-in show, Ring a Star, जहां हर तरफ हम आपके फेवरेट बॉलीवुड स्टार से आपका डायरेक्ट वन-ऑन-वन कनेक्शन करवाते हैं. बस फोन उठाइए, हमारा नंबर घुमाइए and leave the rest to us. I'm सुशील जांगिरा and let me assure you कि आज के हमारे इस शो में आपको डबल मजा आने वाला है. वजह सिंपल है, आज हमारे साथ सिर्फ एक नहीं सिल्वर स्क्रीन के दो सितारे मौजूद हैं. ये दोनों स्टार्स सिर्फ मैटिनी आइडल्स ही नहीं, दे आर यूथ आइकन्स, द ब्यूटीफुल चार्मिंग दीपिका पादुकोण उर्फ आलिया, और उनके साथ हैं द हार्ट थ्रोब्स ऑफ मिलियंस, इमरान खान उर्फ Abhay. Welcome Deepika, welcome Imran.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Deepika, you were there before in the show, so how was your experience?
It's always nice to be back. और इस तरह fans के साथ interact करने में बहुत मजा आता है, and I think it's a very different, unique experience.
All right, so हम लोग time waste नहीं करते, अपना first caller लेते हैं. Are you ready, guys?
Absolutely.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, Imran. Hi, Deepika.
Hi. Who's this?
I'm Ruchita.
Hi, Ruchita.
Dude, I saw your I Hate Love Story. You looked so cute in the movie.
Thank you very
You
much.
did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Okay, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Mumbai.
Mumbai. और आपको क्या पूछना है?
Amchi.
मेरा question इमरान खान से है कि like you've been in a relationship since 7-8 years. क्या आपको लगता है कि एक relationship में एक break जरूरी होता है, like एक year का break लेके और फिर आप वापस date करो या कुछ?
नहीं, it doesn't make sense to me. ये break का concept मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया. I feel कि you are either together or you break up. वो there's no middle
God,
ground.
I feel like I'm talking.
Actually, हमारे film break के बाद में कहानी यही है about a couple who take a break. I guess you saw that in the trailer.
Trailers.
Yeah, that's why I asked you this
हाँ, so
question.
in the film, her character feels that we should take a break. My character feels what I
Shouldn't
feel
take
in
a
real
break.
life, that there's no such thing as a break. You have to be together, or you break up.
और दीपिका आपको क्या लगता है? Do you think a break is necessary?
No, not at all. You know, actually, exactly like Imran said. In fact, when he was talking, I felt like I was. I believe that if two people are in a relationship, you have to try and make it work. Of course, every relationship goes through its ups and downs, but then it's up to a couple to make things work.
Yeah.
And if things are not working out, then clearly y'all should not be together. And then, you know, you can part ways amicably. But I've never understood the concept of let's take a break and let's see how it goes. And after 6 months, and you do your thing and I'll do my thing. I think it's just a matter of convenience.
But वो भी हो सकता है कि break लेने के बाद you actually fall in love again or something like that.
नहीं, break के
know,
बाद ये भी तो हो सकता है किसी और से हो जाए प्यार.
हाँ, ये भी हो.
It can actually work both ways, you know. Sometimes it can make a relationship and sometimes it can break a relationship. I personally have never taken a break in a relationship. Either I've been in it or I've not been in it. And I think it's the same with...
It feels like you're trying to cover up. You're saying
That
that
you want-
I don't want to be in a relationship, but you also can't be in another relationship.
Correct. Yeah, I think it's a
क्या
matter
preserve
of
कर रहे हैं किसी को?
convenience. It's not right. I don't think it's right.
तो चल-
Okay, I think that's great. Deepika, you know what? I'm so jealous of you. All my guy friends go gaga over you, you know, like actually. And I was like, okay, I kind of like, you know, they actually like a break ke baad ke promos and all. They have just seeing them again and again. It's been great talking to both of you guys.
Same
Thank you
here.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you for calling.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye. और अब लेते हैं अपना next caller. Hello.
Yes.
आपका नाम क्या है?
जी Avik Sarkar.
Hi, Abhay. How are you?
I'm good. Imran, this is Avik, not Abhay.
जी, sorry.
This is Avik. AVIK. Avik.
Avik. I'm sorry, Avik. यार मेरे character का नाम है अभय इस फिल्म में, so I'm just hearing that only.
No, Imran, how you doing?
Very well, thanks. आप कैसे हैं भाई?
I'm good. Imran, I mean, you're just too good on screen, man. Seriously, like it's a dream come true speaking to you right now.
Thank you, Avik.
A very little time to speak to you, though. Okay, Imran, I have one question for you.
हाँ, sure.
Avantika and you have been seeing each other for like 7 to 8 years now, right?
8.5 years.
8.5 years, wow. Like, now, you're hot and charming, and there are thousands of girls who, like, drool over you. So doesn't Avantika get jealous looking at that?
No, actually, you know, the funny thing is she says it's a very good thing because if girls did not like me, then I would not be successful. So she keeps saying that I want more and more girls to like you. The more girls like you, the more successful you'll be.
Full power. Imran, you keep killing it, man. You're awesome on screen.
Thanks, Avik.
You're just too good. Yeah. Deepika there with you?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
hi
Right here.
Avik.
Hello, Deepika. Oh my God, holy mother of God, I can't believe it that I'm
Deepika
finally
is looking
speaking to you.
stunning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I'm just totally crazy about you. Anyway, I have
As
one
are
question
all
for
the
you,
boys.
Ajay. You had?
I said, so all the boys are, yeah, you have to get in line.
अविक आपको क्या पूछना है दीपिका से?
Deepika, what is the best thing that you like about Imran?
There's a very, very long list of things that she can
Yeah,
say.
there is a long list. I can't.
Many
in
things,
such
so
a
many
short
things.
time, I can't sum it up. But I think it's his personality. It's the fact that he's a fun-loving guy. He has a great sense of humor, and the fact that he kept all of us entertained on set.
And Deepika, one more trivial thing. Please leave whoever you're with and marry me. I swear I'll do anything for you.
You,
Oh,
do you
God.
realize what you've just done? You actually proposed to me on national television.
Yeah,
Avik.
what else do you want to do? This is the only way I can speak to you, Deepika.
Dekhiye,
There's no
Avik,
other way I can ever
I would
come
just
close
like to
to
say
you.
something here.
अविक यहाँ पे
Deepika is a very, very close friend of mine.
कॉलेज की
Therefore, I have to ask you, do you have a job? Are you...
Yes, I'm a lawyer.
Imran has to
You're a
approve
lawyer,
the
very good.
guy.
Yeah, I'm a lawyer.
Financially
yeah.
secure.
I have a
like this, he's
job.
lawyer. Very good, very good.
Good. Okay, so we can put
ठीक
him
है।
down on the list.
बात आगे बढ़ सकती है.
हम अब बात को डेफिनेटली आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Let's take the other caller. It was
Avik, thank you so
wonderful.
much for
Yeah.
Thanks,
calling.
Avik.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for
Thank you.
calling.
Bye.
Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
Hi, my name is Pooja and I'm calling from Surat. And my question to Imran is, it's the first time you have a kissing scene in your film. And it's the first time you have actually kissed your co-star. So how was your experience? Were you excited? Were you nervous? How
I
did you
w-
feel?
He was very excited.
I was nervous because when we shot that scene, firstly, it's not like, you know, one of those full kissing type scenes.
Yeah.
It's one very, very sweet, just a peck on the lips.
Yeah. But
So
how
that-
did you feel? Did you get those butterflies in your stomach?
I was quite nervous, yeah, because while we were shooting that, I think it was in the first or second week that we had just started shooting the film, and I just knew Deepika a little bit,
Okay.
so I was a little nervous. I'm like, okay, how do we do this? Will it be uncomfortable? Will it be awkward? But
Oh.
finally, I think it came out okay. It doesn't look bad on screen. I think it looks sweet.
Of course it doesn't. And I guess you guys have an amazing chemistry.
Thank you.
Thank
तो
you
है,
for
वो तो है।
calling. Bye.
Bye.
you.
Well, इमरान खान एक charismatic actor हैं, ये तो सबको पता है. और इमरान खान is the ultimate chocolate boy. ये तो इंडिया की सारी लड़कियां जानती हैं. मगर इमरान खान एक चैंपियन मिस्योर भी हैं. That was a breaking news to the whole world. जी हाँ, हुआ ये कि ब्रेक के बाद के एक सीन के लिए इमरान को दीपिका को एक सिंपल सा फुट मसाज देना था. But as it turned out, इमरान के हाथों में वो मैजिक है कि दीपिका के मुताबिक इतना अच्छा मसाज उन्हें कहीं नहीं मिला. Is that correct, Deepika?
I'm sure it's correct. It must
I
be.
think I was just really tired, so anything would do at that point.
Oh.
No,
So
no,
not
no, no,
anything.
no. He was genuinely very sweet. And I
Okay.
remember it was part of a scene actually, where as a couple, I think we just like watching
I've seen
TV
हम,
or chilling, or we were
चार
just
लोग
on
बैठे
a
हैं.
couch or
चार
something.
लोग
People
सोफे
love
पर बैठे हैं.
massages.
I'm giving her a foot
Yeah,
massage.
as it is, I think as being a woman or whatever it is, I just
Yeah,
have a
I mean,
weakness
women
for
love
massages.
massages.
So he was there sitting,
Remember
pressing
this.
my feet, and it was a part of the shot. And then he was really good, so I was secretly signaling my director and saying, just say one more now, just say one more, just so that this one would keep pressing my feet. But he was very sweet.
Alright. और हमने आपके फैन से पूछा कि अगर उनको मौका मिले तो वो कौन सा वाला मसाज लेना पसंद करेंगे आपसे. So let's check out what they have to say.
I'm leaving this yet.
Oh, God.
I think a foot massage is really cool.
I wouldn't like any massage from Imran.
Foot massage only. Dude, any massage. He's Imran after all.
मैं तो पहले दीपिका प्रेफर करूँगा अगर दीपिका मसाज दे तो
Head massage.
Foot massage. Safe and sound.
So I'll try a foot massage.
Body massage.
Head massage.
इमरान से नहीं सॉरी दीपिका हो तो बात अलग है.
Good, smart people. I like.
Mostly correct. I think all the guys said no massage, which is very good. I don't massage guys.
You massage women?
Sometimes.
Time for the next caller. Hello.
Hi, Imran, and hi, Deepika.
Hi,
Hello.
who's this?
Ananya.
Ananya. Hi, Ananya.
Hi, Ananya.
I can't believe that I'm talking to Deepika and Imran. I still can't believe.
I promise it's true.
Yeah.
हम आपसे झूठ
Okay,
कभी नहीं बोलेंगे.
okay.
And you can see us on TV also.
Okay.
Okay, Imran, just one scene I want to do with you on screen. Just one scene. I don't mind. Only for a second also I don't mind.
अच्छा किस तरह का सीन? एक्शन सीन, लव सीन,
Kissing scene,
Massage.
massage scene.
Massage scene.
Imran, I just wanted to ask you
हाँ
that recently on a TV show you kissed Ranbir Kapoor. So it was really true, or it was
He
just like
kissed
that? And how was it?
he
Just
kissed
just
me.
the
I
way
didn't
you
kiss him.
wanted to do, just the way you want to do a kissing scene with Imran, Ranbir wanted to kiss him.
No, I'll see. I'll see in future.
I've seen it.
She said she'll see in the future.
Acha, you'll
I'll
see
see in the future, like you know.
Two things. First, he kissed me. I didn't kiss him. He caught me. He's very.
But you got the kiss, no?
नहीं, luckily at the last
felt
second,
the kiss,
I turned my face away. उसकी नियत अच्छी नहीं थी.
I think we should have a dostana for something with you.
That's what we're telling
Dostana
Karan.
3.
Dostana 3. अरे call Karan and tell him yeah.
And for Deepika also.
Yeah.
Deepika, I must tell you, you're really sexy and all. I'm like so look upon to you.
Thank you.
अरे girls also find her sexy. क्या है?
Thank you so much for calling.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.